So good.
Not bad.
I'll try a bit. Nah. It's alright. So we got here just after 12 o'clock.
I think it was 12:07.
We were quite tired, weren't we?
I mean, we did have a couple of drinks to celebrate the Warrior, and then we went straight to bed. We woke up to a beautiful view. The plan is today to head up to Scotland, Edinburgh. 3 hours from here, I think it is, but I can't check that because we've got no signal.
Love it.
So we're going to just head for the A68. Today's going to be a lovely day. Sun's out, no rain. Today we could just wake up in this beautiful place in the middle of Yorkshire Dales. Today we could just ride the rest of the beautiful roads all the way to Edinburgh.
I didn't do a lot of driving yesterday, if any, but...
He'd been working all day. I had a lay-in. Oh no, I got it everywhere. Anyway. Smile. We've just stopped to...
Just stopped
My
to trip.
ankle gave way.
Oh. So we was driving along to the next location, and we see this like abandoned
only
ruins.
like 10 minutes in. We're literally...
Yeah, literally like 5 minutes down the road from where we just was. Yeah, there's like a nice stream and
it's beautiful.
that abandoned building. This pretty much overlooks the entire
Edinburgh and beyond.
Probably one of the least touristy paths you can do. We can go at our own pace.
Really...
I mean, if we do this quick enough, we might even be able to go over there.
Yeah, alright. One step at a time.
Oh, you're having a drink already? Didn't realise how big Edinburgh actually is, to be fair. It feels tiny when you're in it. Yeah, it feels like a town. It is a city. It's still fairly windy, but it's warm, the sun's out. It was really cloudy earlier and it looked like it was going to rain. Yeah, so last night we didn't really do too much. We literally turned up at the flat, got working, cleaned that up and done what we needed to do. And then we went for a walk around Edinburgh City because she's been here before. This is my first time. So she showed me a few places. We went up to the castle, which was closed. Yeah, and then we went to a bar and had a couple drinks and stumbled our way home. We had a lay-in this morning, which normally happens when you have a few drinks. Right, so we're currently about halfway up. That's the last of it there. We're going to go the steeper way, which those people behind us are currently struggling to come down on there, sitting down for most of it, but we're going to go up there anyway.
There's a lot of people in normal, like just coming from work, just coming from shopping actually. Some of them was carrying a Primark bag in their hand. So we was like very prepared for this little trip. I mean, it's not like a mountain or anything.
These are like personally one of my favourite things to do, is to...
It's so relaxing.
Yeah, like, because it's a nice challenge the whole way up, and then when you get to the top you're rewarded. Yeah, so we made it to the top. We're just walking back down now. We stopped and enjoyed the view for the first part. Had a drink and had some snacks, didn't we?
Many snacks, many sweets.
Many snacks and many sweets, of course.
Just ate what we burnt off.
We're not going to go the way that we came because...
That was very, very steep.
Yeah, it was very steep and it's always easier to climb up than go down. We're going to make our way down the main pathway. So the plan is we're going to go back to the van. We've got to go back to the flat and pick a few things up and finish a few things off. We're going to be heading to the Yorkshire Dales tonight.
Just my knees when we go down.
Oh, definitely going downhill is a proper quad killer. I nearly just rolled down the hill. Like this edge here. It nearly just fell off.
No first aid kit because he's always in hospital.
But it's not like I can really hurt myself on this.
You lost it then. No, because I could see you actually going down. 21 minutes.
1 hour and 21 minutes. I feel like we're overexposed, you know.
Sorry, we felt naked.
We was overexposed.
That was quite funny.
You right now?
Yeah, just trying to find a pub.
Trying to find a pub. It's pretty much all we ever do. What is it? What film is it we downloaded to watch tonight?
American Pie?
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, the Naked Mile, wasn't it? Yeah, that's sick.
The plan is to go back to the flat.
Yeah.
Sort the toilet out.
Yeah.
Get your laptop sorted. Walk to Aldi, get dinner for today, maybe
Yeah.
tomorrow.
And probably decide a location to where we're going to go.
Well,
Okay.
the one we sorted earlier. Hour and 20
Oh
minutes
yes. Yeah, hour and 20-minute drive.
away, which is a little bit further down south.
And we're back. And the van is a mess. So that's our Aldi trip done.
The great thing is about this, you don't need to get bags, you don't need to waste money on
Yeah, literally don't have.
your bag.
We actually got ID'd for the alcohol as well. I think it was because we was being a bit silly. I mean, I wasn't. She was.
Having fun. So can we just point out, we have about 15 pot noodles.
Yeah, we do. We have a lot of pot
We just
noodles.
We just bought more.
Yeah, because we want to
Dib's
do
not
this.
taking the trolley back.
This is where we're going to be staying for the night, and it has got an amazing view. We're about to make dinner, and it's 9:45. And stop. Yeah, I actually have an alarm on my phone for 9:45, so it lets me know when I need to start getting ready for bed.
You're like a child. Don't look at that dirty washing. Well, it's technically clean, but I haven't put it away yet. I'm gonna show you my cooking. So, chicken tikka masala is what we're making. The reason I did the cooking is because it's already made sauce. But I've got some jalapenos to feel like I'm a chef. And then I've got all sorts of spices, which makes me also feel like a chef. This is my cooking show. Shaw the chef. We've got to cook all this. We have no choice because we don't have a fridge. Ooh. I think we're going to add a pepper. I don't officially know how to cut a pepper. Don't judge me. I normally just cut out the centre. Jalapeno time. We want look at that beautiful view. I normally guess with the herbs, garlic is the go-to. And if you're wondering why they've got elastic bands around them, it's because they used to rattle all the time. This is the tikka masala that we're using. It's got the 2 steps, you get the powder and then you get the sauce. Come on. Stars
Silly question.
served. Ta-da!
Why are you using a spatula with a hole through the middle? Use a spoon.
I know I would, but that's more washing up. I'm trying to help you here.
I like sauce and I've got none. But you can't get sauce with that.
Of course I can.
Oh, this is going to end bad. Right, fair play. That actually works really well.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. Got a nice little kick to it.
Thank you for coming along this journey with us. Please show us some love by liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.